how can you cope up with Jugaadu technology during a cross-country cycle riding, especially you have moved on the teeny budget to accomplish the tour? Hello everybody, I am Sumit Rajak. Welcome you into this channel Trails of the Trades. My mentor and your editor Narayan Sharma will share his reflection on the issue at the end. So watch the video till the end.
Today I'll head to Navsari from Valsad. It's about 60 kilometers. And today I want to highlight some of the issues that I face while traveling. It's not only budget, due to budget, the technical issues that I have to hire a room, especially because I need to charge my mobile, my laptop, these things on the way. But if you make a tent, you don't get those facilities. So I need to start the day with a positive note that it's necessary to endure these technical issues and cope up. Somewhere called Navsari. From Navsari, tomorrow I will go to Surat. This is the place where I slept for last night. And weather is fantastic today. I have a great day. Thank you. National Highway in Gujarat. I'm heading to Dongri. From Dongri I'll go to Navsari today. From Navsari tomorrow I'll go to Surat. Just showing you the preview of this really beautiful place. Safe, though it is a highway. On the way I have seen a company, I forgot the name, and they were holding beautiful street light, like the ones, no, these are not street light, with that hovering board, I think to say. It was really nice. They spent money, they used technology, they beautified. Navsari is 50 kilometers from here. Highway starts, so I'll take the highway to reach Navsari. And it is my usual breakfast time. I don't know what's time is that. Let me see my watch. It's about 10 o'clock. And I'll get back to you after. This is the river side. Rivers. Yeah, not borrowed from river. My cycle. Today actually I want to show you the breakfast that I usually take. I take fruits, only fruits in the breakfast. Yeah, see, I have some almond, raisin, cinnamon or cardamom, and one pear and a few bananas. Okay, should I wash? I won't wash. I do have immunity, I believe. Well, let me have it and I'll continue my journey. जी? हाँ. Okay. ओ, धान का खेती है आपका पीछे में? ओ, हाँ. आपका शक्ल दिखा देगा. It was raining terribly. As a result, I had to wait in a place in between Valsad and Navsari. Everything got wet. Yeah, see, my shoes and this provision for the passengers or passerby travelers. Yeah, it's beautiful, but rain could not protect the seat. Yeah, let me wait a few minutes, relax, and I stopped here, this area, for because I'm hungry. Now this is a fruit shop. आपका नाम क्या भाई साहब? निकेश, हाँ? Nikesh, okay. Thank you for the coconut water. इसमें वो मिलेगा कि नहीं? पाप जो मलाई मिलेगा कि नहीं? At 2:15, rain became terrible, and I stopped in front of a chiku garden. Chiku in English, I don't know. I might have forgotten. Yeah, in front of the road. The opposite of the road, the chiku garden in abundance, and you can see terrible rain, cats and dogs. It is called outpour. It's very pleasant to ride cycle on under the rain, but unfortunately I'm afraid the mobile would get wet and it will spoil, so I have to shelter here. Meet Mr Naresh, who sells jackfruit here. He has fed me jackfruit, and it is almost lunchtime and I took plenty of them. The stomach is full. Now I don't know whether I need any lunch or not. After a few minutes, I'll continue going to Valsad. And this place is, कौन सी जगह है ये? हाँ? Harat. Harat. This place is Harat. Okay. I'll update you. I reached Navsari before schedule, before time. Here is a temple and I don't know how to read. This is absolutely in Gujarati language, and Gujarat is prominently using in different transcriptions only Gujarati language. There is no bilingualism. Very rarely few advertisements you can see in English language. That's a good thing about Gujarat. Yeah, it's a prosperous state. Here I have reached Navsari. Then now I have to look for some shelter for the night. Hopefully I will look for some kind of dharamshala or a temple. I'll just show you the preview of the area. It's still drizzling, and so things become clear, crystal, fresh, nice one. Show you the temple from inside once more. It's written something in English. Kodhiya Jewelers. This is the advertisement. All right. Yeah, the hospitality concept in Gujarat is good. For example, you see water they have kept there for public consumptions in the vessels, earthen vessels. I have changed my mind since there is plenty of time, so I will start going towards Surat. That place, before Surat, there's before 50 kilometer or so, there is some place called Maroli where I can get accommodation there, cheaper, some people say, and from there I will continue tomorrow to Surat. And the main purpose of stopping here was to soak off, dry out my socks and the dresses and the material, because they all got wet. I'm at Kadipur, waited for a rest, for a while rest. And ये क्या लिखा है? Kalipur लिखा है. Okay. I met Sumanji, became friend here, very nice gentleman. He says he has got some disease. कौन सी है? लकवा ना? Okay, I recommended this medicine for him to try 1 month to survive on vegetable, and hopefully he will be fine. And then I have given my business card. If he gets good result, he will contact me and we'll keep in touch. We'll be friends. सुमन जी, आपको मिलके अच्छा लगा. आप मुझे वचन दो कि आप वो करोगे 1 महीना, उसके बाद फिर मैं मिलूँगा, आप मुझे फ़ोन करना।
We are very curious to know what aspect of information you would be more interested with. Please let us know. If you want to know about food or culture or agriculture or people during the cycle trip, I will really appreciate it if you write your expectation in the comment box. It will be really encouraging if you like, comment, share and subscribe. Looking forward to serve you more about this cycle adventure.